aviondemand.com. Automotive training you can receive anywhere, anytime. Your online training starts here.
So a lot of stores basically have a system where the phone rings, it's answered by an advisor. Well, what if the advisor's busy? What if that customer service person is already on the phone or already assisting another customer? Do we just let the phone ring? No, we typically have something that says if you hear the phone ring more than 3 or 4 times, you better answer it. And what really happens is somebody answers the phone that's not able to help the caller. But the caller is thinking because they answered the phone, they're able to help them. And what happens is the customer explains what their needs are, why they're calling there. Somebody that answered the phone listens to all this and then simply says, "I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. You'll need to talk to Bill. Let me get Bill." And now when Bill gets on the phone, the caller has to go through their entire story all over again. Why would I do that to people? Why would I create that kind of inconvenience or actually be that disrespectful of their time? So if we're going to have people answer the phone that are not able to assist the caller, then they need to be prepared to answer the phone in a very specific way. So if that call rolls over to someone, maybe an assistant or maybe a technician, probably the worst thing we can do is have technicians answer the phone, by the way. But if we're going to at least have them prepared to say, "Thank you for calling ABC Auto Repair. This is John. May I take a message to have Bill, our service advisor, return your call?" I'm going to save everybody a lot of time.